What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, before I do start the video, I want to say if you're not subscribed to the channel, I do recommend you subscribe and I do appreciate your support. Um, but without further ado, let's get right back into it. So today we're going to be learning how to basically prepare an HTML. Now, in the previous videos, we've talked about um, common HTML elements. Let's actually learn how to set up an HTML file so when you do sit down, you know exactly what to do and you're not, basically starting from scratch. So HTML files require certain elements to set up the document properly. We can let web browsers know that we are using an HTML by starting our document with a document type declaration. So essentially, the declaration looks like this. You have it's a regular tag, but you have a exclamation point here that with capital, and it says doc type, and then you just put HTML. So this declaration is an instruction, and it must be the first line of code in your HTML document at all times. It tells the browser what type of document to expect, along with what version of HTML is being used in the document. For now, the browser will correctly assume that HTML in this tag or in this element is referred to HTML5 as it's the current standard. In the future, however, a new standard will override HTML5. To make sure your document is forever interpreted correctly, always include this element at the beginning of your HTML documents. Lastly, HTML code is always saved in a file with an .html extension, as we see right here. So this is a file. All right, so our only task for the day is to add the declaration as the first line of code on top of the index.html file. Now let me go ahead and try to type it from memory, and I suggest you guys do the same thing. So it's doc type and then HTML and then closing angle brackets. Let's run it. Perfect. There you go, right there. That's all you need. Now, of course, it's not going to print anything, it's not going to do anything, but it ensures that your HTML is up to date and you tell the browser what kind of file you're creating, essentially, or what kind of file it's trying to read. But yeah, that's going to end it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.